In this video, I'll show you the correct way to print your Google Calendar with event names and details. First, open your browser and go to calendar.google.com. Now make sure you are on the main calendar screen. Go to the top right corner again and click on the Settings icon. From the menu, click on Print. The print preview screen will open. On the left side, you will see the View option. Here, keep the view as auto. You do not need to change it to day or week. Now look at the preview on the right side. You will notice that your events are listed clearly with their names and details. If you want the text to look bigger, you can change the font size to large. You can also keep Show Weekends turned on if you want weekends to appear in the print. Once everything looks correct, click on Print, and that's it. Then open Settings Arrow Print and print from there. This is the only working way to print Google Calendar with event details.